Hello and welcome to PHP loops. The very first loop we'll be talking about is called the while loop. First, PHP loop is used to run a particular block of code repeatedly for a number of time. And the first one is while loop. So, the while loop loops through a block of code as long as the specified condition is true. The while statement will loop through a block of code as long as the condition specified inside of the while statement evaluates to true. So let's see this in code. The first thing we'll do is we've created the while loop document. So let's create our PHP opening and closing tag. Now remember, for your while loop to be done correctly, the first thing you need is called the initialization. And it's simply a variable that is set to a particular value. So let's create a variable I and make it equal to 1. The next thing you need is the condition. So this is the condition that should be met for your while loop to run repeatedly. So we write this like this: while variable I is less than or equal to 100, then what should happen? Now you have your block of code. Okay, this is what you want to happen repeatedly as long as that condition is correct. Block of code. We want to simply echo out something that says this is number I. Okay, then we can put in a break statement so that we can have everything on a new line. BR. Now this is our block of code, but we can't just leave it like this. There is something else that should be done, and the last one is called the increment. So the increment is what is going to make the value increase for every time the condition is met. So we will say variable I plus plus, that is plus 1. So if variable I is 50 plus 1, okay? So let's see this in action. So while loop, I will open this in the browser. So I did not end my semicolon here. Always take note of the errors. So reload, and as you can see, our while loop has run from 1 down to 100. Okay, let me make it shorter. Let's say 50, so I don't have to scroll. I'm still scrolling, so let's just make it shorter. Let's do 30. As you can see, the while loop has run from 1 to 30. What was the condition? The condition said that as long as variable I is less than or equal to 30, that is why you have 30 here, and variable I was initially set to 1, so that is why you have number 1 here. It ran one time, initialized, then this block of code ran, then it came back again after incrementing to check the condition. So when it became 2 here, it checked the condition, it was still less than 30, it ran the code, and we are outputting variable I here. So guys, this is it on while loop in PHP. I'll see you in the next one.